Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to remove emojis from your video clip on Capcut application. So here I already have the clip on my project. Let's see. So our mission today is removing this emoji. So the things that we have to do now, it's so easy. We need to make this straight lines is standing in the beginning of the clip. Just by select your clip into the right side, and after you're done, you just need to go click add overlay, and just import the same video as we have on our project. And now just go click add. We need to adjusting the size so that the size gonna be like the same as the original video by pinch with two of our finger. And whenever you're done, we just need to slide these tools into the left side until we found mask. Here we already found a mask. We just need to go click it, and we need to choose the circles one. And now we need to find out the samples color that we want by drag this part into the let's do it with a little bit more bigger, and let's do it this. And whenever you're done, go click this checklist button. And then for the next things we have to do is just go pinch the overlay clip with two of our finger and make it like bigger while drag it into the emojis that we want to remove. You see that? There you go. And now the emoji is already covered, and let's get a final test. So that's the way how to remove emoji on your video clip by Capcut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.